Okay, day 4. Last night, man, I had a practically sleepless night. Go to sleep, wake up, go to sleep, wake up. Just crazy because my circadian rhythms are being reset, my brain is being repaired, and all sorts of stuff. And while this healing is going on, you're trying to operate a building. So yeah, it was a tough night, but only because I would have preferred to just go blank out. Anyway, so today, feeling good. A little fatigued here and there. Temperature should go up by the end of the day as I kill off bacteria and parasites. And this is during the magic, man. You know, you've turned on autophagy and kept it on, so you're really cleaning stuff out. And it's fantastic to do this because it was found out by Max Planck Institute. The real cause of cancers and stuff like that is irritants, okay? It's an irritation, usually inside the cell, usually a toxin that can damage the genetics, that make the cell go haywire and cause these things. So yeah, to eliminate these toxins is critical to eliminating bigger problems. So my feeling is, dry fasting is great. This is my 6th one, I believe, of varying lengths. And yeah, it's a sort of thing it's pretty easy to do. So today is just kind of letting the body do its thing. Then, nap a little bit, watch some TV, do some work. Because I'm still able to do work. You're not debilitated on this method. And it's funny too, because I was just thinking about it yesterday. The discomfort of a dry fast is far less than months of aches and pains and sweating in gyms and all this stuff, when all you got to do is detox, defat, and then go to the gym, build your muscle with the stuff I talk about in neogenesis. So, yeah, a 3-minute workout. Yeah, see, it takes 3 minutes to hit the triggers in the muscles if you're lifting just about how much weight you can lift, or a little more than you can. Your partner gives it to you, and you static hold it and then lower it. You will get stronger. There's no way around it. So, and you build muscle too. So that's the thing today. Today is the 4th day of a 5-day dry fast. I'm feeling good, and some wonderful things are happening inside me. One of the most wonderful things is the stem cells. They were activated yesterday as soon as pKa went down, and my pH and keto stick showed that I was in deep ketosis. So that turns the whole thing on. And so yeah, I think that today is a kind of a mellow day, a little foggy, a little spacey, but that's okay. I'm used to that. So, and yeah, thank you for your comments on the microphone thing. And yeah, I probably will go back to the beach now because I enjoy it. And I know you guys, a lot of you do, and I appreciate you saying so. And that gets me to the beach more often. Lets me check the waves out. So yeah, today is pretty much the same as the next day. And this is what's great about a 5-day opposed to a 7. After the 5th day on a 7-day dry fast, you get a second acidotic crisis. This is really mistermed. It's not a crisis. It's just to have a state where you go into this deep cleaning cycle again, and it really wrings you out. I've done it, 4 or 5 times now. I've done these 2 or 3 times now, something like that. And yeah, it's a little tougher. And one thing you can do, because I thought about this, if you know about Gerald Pollack, he's the identifier of a 4th phase of water. There's this phase of water between ice and liquid. It's structured water, where the molecules align in planes and structures. That's what happens in your cells. You have structured water in your cells. Your body makes structured water in the Krebs cycle. So you are forcing, endogenous structured water out of your body, and that's cool. So my feeling is, and trust me, sparingly, a few chips only as ice, because as the ice melts in your mouth, it goes to structured water, which is the structured water that the body recognizes as internal endogenous water. So again, chips, not cubes, and only a few if you have a really hard time with dry throat and that kind of thing. But for the most part, just, don't do it. I don't. I have used some chips in a 7, I think the last one I did, and it did help a little bit, but, it's just ameliorates the discomfort to some degree. Today, it's a wonderful day in the neighborhood, And I think what I might do is go on over to the beach and just get in the water and float. You know, zero gravity is a wonderful way to heal things. It's also a way to take all the stress and pressure off of all your joints and bones. It's really a great thing. That's why I do baths, so I can float in the bath. So yeah, just keep with it. You're doing fine. One more day and it's over, and we'll all be laughing about this. So yeah, I probably will drink the coconut water after I end this because I love coconut water, and I'll probably take some magnesium, potassium. Why not? It's not difficult. But if you don't want to do that, you can just start eating again. Me, I like to recognize that I've probably put a bunch of new cells in my body, and to introduce them gently to digestion. I always do it this way. I mean, everybody says, and I've seen it written many times, and everybody says, 5 days is not a big deal. It's really not. But at the same point, you've activated stem cells, and you need to be able to help them establish themselves in their niches. You got 220 stem cell niches all over the body, spread throughout the fascial matrix, this gooey stuff that holds you together. And just take it easy on them. Don't do hot, spicy foods, and don't eat some jalapeno peppers raw, and stay away from very, very acid foods. And that's about it. I mean, this is easy. So day 4, almost over. Last day, tomorrow.